Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another episode of The Canadian Cricketer. And today I have with me two very well-known all-rounders. They both are juniors. I'll talk about them. We'll talk about it. They are going for 40 plus World Cup to Pakistan, and they have been playing cricket in Canada for a long time, and they have been winning games consistently for their clubs and their teams. With that, I will tell you a little bit about them. One of them is a batsman who can ball leg spin. He's also a realtor. And the other one I have with me, one of my favorite medium pacer in Canada, who is also an IT consultant. If you're guessing, yes, your guess might be right. It's Ali Faruqi and Sultan Malik with us in the studio. Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you guys?
Alhamdulillah.
Walaikum salam.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you Salman bhai for having us. We
So,
appreciate it.
बारी बारी बात करते हैं. पहले अली भाई आपकी तरफ आते हैं.
जी.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, we grew up here, right, in Canada. तो सारी क्रिकेट हमने कनाडा में शुरू की. I started playing in 1995, 96. There was a club called Malton Cricket Club. वहाँ से शुरू की hard ball, and then we started playing tape ball. तो मतलब पाकिस्तान में कोई क्रिकेट नहीं खेली.
अच्छा.
जो भी क्रिकेट शुरू की, I started here.
So टेप बॉल से यहाँ पे टेप बॉल खेल के और क्रिकेट खेलते
पहले हार्ड बॉल शुरू की, टेप बॉल हाई स्कूल में खेलते थे. एंड मी एंड सुल्तान वी गो बैक टू हाई स्कूल डेज.
अच्छा, नाइस.
लाइक वी गो बैक ऑलमोस्ट 30 प्लस इयर्स. तो
Oh.
हमारी हाई स्कूल की टीम हुआ करती
We'll talk about that 30 plus. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how the journey started. And then that's how I found my friends. And आप जानते हैं काफी मेरे 4-5 दोस्त that we go back many years.
You're a very close knitted group of playing cricket
Right.
together for a
Yes,
long time.
yes, yes.
Sultan bhai, what about you? You have been I've been watching you for a long time as well. तो अपने बारे में भी कुछ बताएं, क्रिकेट के बारे में भी कुछ बताएं.
First of all, Salman bhai, thank you for having us. We really appreciate it. जिस तरह अली ने कहा, मेरी भी जर्नी कुछ सिमिलर ही है. पाकिस्तान में जब था, ज़ाहिर हम छोटे थे जब यहाँ पे आ गए, लेकिन पाकिस्तान में टेप बॉल थोड़ी बहुत खेलते थे. हार्ड बॉल यहाँ पे आके शुरू की हाई स्कूल में. तो शुरू में आया तो जिस तरह अली थे और बाकी कुछ हमारे दोस्त थे पाकिस्तानी, कुछ श्रीलंकन भी थे, इंडियन भी थे. तो हमारी स्कूल की टीम होती थी. तो दूसरे जो स्कूल थे करीब हम नैकी स्कूल गए थे, नॉर्थ एलिवेंट कॉलेजिएट किपलिंग एंड स्टील्स पे.
अच्छा.
जी. तो बाकी वहाँ पे स्कूल होते थे, उनके साथ कंपटीशन होता था. 6 ओवर्स के मैचेस भी होते थे. तो वी वर क्वाइट गुड एक्चुअली. वी यूज्ड टू मोस्टली लाइक विन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बिकॉज वी आर एक्सेलेंट टीम. फिर उसके बाद माल्टन में थोड़ा बहुत खेले, थोड़ा बहुत पार्डियल से शुरू किया. Fit, like I probably played like in almost every club you can name out there overseas. Toronto Cricket Skating and Curling Club, Head Start. Yeah, right now I play for UZ Marquardt.
Well, you went to England to play as well.
Yeah, I was gonna share that. हमारा एक game हुआ था MCC के साथ Philadelphia में. We had
Oh, nice.
a friendly tour.
Nice.
So good thing I did really good as an all-rounder. So they said like maybe you should go and play in England. So they gave me a lead and I approached that person, and luckily that time I was the top scorer in our like under 19 in T&D cricket. So I shared my stats. They sponsored me and I had the privilege to play like at like a minor county level in Yorkshire Premier Division. And luckily I got like a big wicket as well. I got Matthew Sinclair out.
Oh, nice.
So
Well, that's something to remember.
yeah, exactly. That's how I remember. And he had like back to back double hundreds against West Indies, against Pakistan.
Oh,
Like
Wow.
he scored double hundred against Courtney Wash, like those type of bowlers.
Mhm.
Bradley Ambrose, Wasim Akram, Waqar Yunus,
Mhm.
and getting him out was like a big thing for me as a 19-year-old.
There must be some celebration there, Sultan.
Yeah, but like when you're like in a foreign country,
Of course. सही है. अच्छा नाजरीन, मैं आपको ये बताता चलूं कि ये लोग इस महीने पाकिस्तान जा रहे हैं प्लस 40 वर्ल्ड कप खेलने. एंड आई हैव सीन बोथ ऑफ दीज जेंटलमैन टू प्ले क्रिकेट दिस सीजन एंड परफॉर्म रियली वेल. तो आई एम वेरी होपफुल. आई विल बी फॉलोइंग दिस टीम. सीएमसी के साथ ये जा रहे हैं, तो हम पूरी टीम को वी विश यू गाइज लक. वी होप यू गाइज परफॉर्म. विल टॉक अबाउट द वर्ल्ड कप. तो राइट अवे मेरे माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि यार व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेंस क्रिकेट खास तौर पे, तो कनाडा को कोई ज़्यादा चांस नहीं देते लोग कि यार दिस इज़ अ टीम which is going to make to the playoffs. What do you think? आप लोगों के chances कैसे हैं?
I can speak.
Yeah, go ahead,
तो
please.
पहली तो बात है जो हम लोग टूर्नामेंट खेलने जा रहे हैं, it's a 40+ World Cup. So you have teams all around the world, and fortunately, me and Sultan, we toured Pakistan in the last tournament, which was 45 overs. It was 2 years back. So we did play against the West Indies, Australia, and these guys, Pakistan.
Big names there.
Yes, very competitive. So we have some idea. Uh, Back then, you retire from TND. There's no more cricket. Now there's a lot of cricket, and since this veteran cricket started in Canada, CCMC, where they're representing Canadian veterans, so that actually gives you a chance to extend your career. So before you retire, you're 40, 42, you're retired. Now you are able to play up to 70. They also have 70+ teams.
Yeah, I heard.
60+, and they actually tour the world.
Nice.
So that's opportunity for us, and hopefully we do well.
Okay,
Inshallah.
so the next part of the question was कि आपकी टीम में discussion तो हुई होगी. You must have discussed it. What is the management? What is the coach thinking about? Realistically, not ideally. Of course, ideally everybody wants to win. Realistically, आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि क्या chances हैं आप लोगों को?
I think it's about mindset. कल हमारी प्रैक्टिस थी तो हम इसी बात पे बात कर रहे थे कि जिस तरह हम लोग समझते हैं कि हम कनाडा हैं और वेस्ट इंडीज़ के खिलाफ खेलेंगे, पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ खेलेंगे, साउथ अफ्रीका के खिलाफ खेलेंगे. They are better teams. They are better teams. But when you're on the ground, like it's a one-ball game. You need to have that mindset. Like you cannot go into the ground with the mindset that you're going to be losing the game. You have to have a positive mindset. And it's not like China versus Kenya, like in a war, China has better weapons or US has better weapons. Like the weapons are same. It's a ball and a bat, right? And a human. And we, as Ali said, we have been playing like a lot of T20 crickets, and we have some good players in our team, like Khalid Gilani, Danish Rashid. Like he scored like 3,000+ runs just alone this year. He had like 9 centuries.
Actually, Sultan, I want to talk about it, but let's talk about it off camera. I have a lot to gossip about Danish. Because यार कोई 800 century कैसे करता है? 9+ centuries. That's a joke. Like he just dominated it.
Well, you got a lot of runs too.
I got it in odd games,
Mashallah,
like important
man.
games. But Danish scoring यार इतने runs, 9 centuries. It's not a joke anywhere. Consistency, and I hope he carries this form there. Inshallah. अच्छा तो हम परफॉर्मेंसेस की बात कर रहे हैं, सीजन परफॉर्मेंसेस की भी बात करेंगे. मैं आप लोगों के पर्सनल गोल्स के बारे में भी जानना चाहूँगा कि वर्ल्ड कप से लेकर आपके अपने पर्सनल गोल क्या है एज अ बैट्समैन, एज अ बॉलर. फिर हम CCMC के क्या गोल हैं और वो क्या काम कर रहे हैं और लोग उनसे कैसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं, उस पर भी बात करेंगे. लेकिन फिलहाल लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वेरी ब्रीफली अबाउट योर करियर्स. आई नो 10 years ago, maybe 15 years ago, and maybe if I'm not wrong, I played TND a lot, and we used to play 16 games, maybe if we make the playoffs, 18 games.
Right.
But now, even I've seen people playing more than 80 games in a season because there's so many leagues.
That's right.
Right? अभी आपने बात की अली भाई के रिटायरमेंट के बाद भी आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं और TND से रिटायरमेंट की बात कर रहे
जी
हैं.
बिल्कुल right.
And you look more fit than I am. Being very honest. So अभी भी कहाँ पे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं आप लोग और कैसे जा रहे हैं आप लोगों
Well, again, it's thanks to veteran cricket जो 40+ की आ गई है, 50+, 60+. तो at least you have some motivation कि आप 50+ की अगर they just played a World Cup in Australia like a month ago, month and a half.
Yeah.
So they had the 50+ World Cup. So you have some motivation, you look forward to it.
And guys are trying to stay healthier.
They are like
Yeah.
us too, right? We're trying to eat healthy so we can be picked for these tournaments because a lot of people want to play, but of course you have to have the fitness and the skills.
Say, Sultan bhai, what do you think?
Just want to add to that. So I personally, you gave example of people playing 80+ games. I think 2025 is like around similar amount of games.
Wow.
Maybe a little less, but
it's easy for under 19 like you to do.
Yes, under 19 twice. So for example, we have like Tabangi, which plays in Lakeshore Cricket League.
Yeah.
There are 3 teams, right? T25, T20 First Division, Premier Division. So I played in those 3 teams. Then I played for UZ Marquardt, which is one of the biggest T20 club. We were
very well known club.
Yeah, very well known.
Of course.
We were the champions in
Nobody's
BCL.
forgetting Zadman Haas.
Wazar Minas, exactly. Ryan Patan,
Yeah.
Arman Kapoor,
Yeah.
Danish, and then many other top cricketers in Canada. So I played there as well, and then BCL and those are top T20 cricket divisions in Canada, and I'm playing there. So you have to be competitive, you have to be fit. I think age is just a number.
Yeah, but let me be honest,
As
Sultan
long as
bhai,
you produce
Sultan bhai,
numbers.
Ali, मैं बिल्कुल honestly ये बात कर रहा हूँ. You might be a little, you might have more experience than I do, but I've started to realize कि यार आपके reflexes कम हो रहे हैं. Although you have more experience, although you can think maybe better than someone
Right,
who's
right,
younger,
right.
but it does affect you, doesn't it?
या आप थोड़े फील्डिंग में एक्सपोज हो जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल सही है.
Just like what we were even 10 years back. जो हमारी agility थी, it obviously has dropped.
Yeah,
You can try all you want, you cannot match your early 30s, your 20s.
fine.
और आपको injuries होती हैं, it takes longer to recover.
But Ali, being very honest, and I'm not being biased here,
Right.
being a batsman and leg spinner is much easier than someone who's bowling 10 overs in a game or 4 overs in a game consistently.
Well,
right?
being a leg spinner, you need a lot of control, right?
Yeah,
Being a medium
ये
pacer,
muscle भी सारा
you need experience.
yeah, yeah.
So Sultan's a great bowler. He took a lot of wickets.
Yeah.
और उस जगह इसने विकेटें ली हैं जहाँ पे it's like green pitches, Green means
artificial है यार, मतलब
artificial.
कोई bounce नहीं, कोई
तो उसमें
deviation
it's all batsman's game,
नहीं.
right? हम जब पहले T20 खेलते थे तो एक 100 लगता था, it was a big deal.
Yeah.
Now people are scoring hundreds like
बिल्कुल,
day and
कोई
night.
शक नहीं.
So because of the surface, the grounds are much faster.
But Sultan, same question to you. आप as a fast bowler, मतलब फिटनेस के इशू अब ज़्यादा आपको नहीं लगता कि अब ज़्यादा है? क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि 5 साल पहले अगर मुझे कोई इंजरी होती थी, in 2 or 3 weeks I might feel completely normal. Now it takes about months, not weeks.
Yeah.
So how do you manage that?
I think Salman bhai, the biggest reason is probably we playing too many games.
That's true.
Before you had rest, right? So
Recovery
now
time coming.
Recovery time is very
Right.
little, right? Yeah, fitness issues are there. As Ali said, when you're a little bit old, fielding is probably the biggest challenge that you have.
Okay.
But bowling is also a challenge nowadays because everybody is trying to, especially in T20, where we play like Brampton, everybody wants to hit you for 4 and 6 on every single ball.
Of course.
There's no mercy. So, but if you
Yeah,
bowl,
that's the reason I bowl.
yeah,
this.
if you bowl smartly, if you bowl smartly according to your field,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter you play against international cricket or Brampton cricket or wherever. I think you can still get
That's
away.
true.
अच्छा
So
चले
far, that's what I.
चले अब थोड़ी सी इंटरेस्टिंग करते हैं कन्वर्सेशन को. सुल्तान भाई, वैसे जस्ट अ कमेंट ऑन दिस नोट. Yeah, it doesn't matter where you bowl, where your field is. If Ryan or Naim Iqbal is batting and they're going for it, doesn't matter. There are batsmen like this
Right.
these days now.
Yes.
Big bats and big swings. Anyways, चलो थोड़ा सा अब फन करते हैं. अब मैं दोनों से बारी बारी पूछूंगा. What is the most memorable batting innings for you and then for you? Batting innings, because both of you all rounder will talk about the bowling side. तो अब अगर right away, first thought, what came into your mind? Ali?
For me as a batting, last World Cup में हमने UAE के खिलाफ गेम खेली थी.
Your career, that's your whole career. That's the thought which came to your mind.
Well, recent one, right? I forget.
Okay.
Performance करके मैं भूल जाता हूँ.
हाँ सही है, इतनी
तो
performance
recent वाली जो याद है मुझे, against UAE game फंस गया था. First game थी मेरी. I was under pressure. I never played such big stage cricket. आपको बताया ना सारी क्रिकेट कनाडा में खेली है, तो कभी एक्सपोजर नहीं मिली. तो anyways, I pulled it off and me and Sultan were there till the end and we brought it home. हम almost lose कर गए थे game. And UAE has a good side. उनके सारे ज़्यादा first class पाकिस्तानी players होते हैं, right? And so yeah, that was one of my batting. वैसे तो किए हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
Yeah.
lot of good knocks.
नहीं, पर एक होता है ना, कुछ स्पेशल होता है. सुल्तान, आपके लिए कौन सी इनिंग आपके लिए बहुत स्पेशल है जो आप याद रखते हैं?
My inning?
Yeah.
I think at Ross Road, we were like 20 for 6, losing, and then I ended up scoring 100
Oh
at Ross
yeah,
Road.
I recall.
That's a head start.
Yeah, head start.
Yeah,
Head
I think I
Yeah.
think I've heard about
And
that game.
scoring 100 in
Yeah,
Ross Road,
yeah.
it's like 300. over
नीचे खेल
here.
रहे थे, ऊपर खेल रहे थे? रॉसलर टॉप और नॉट?
Top.
अच्छा, ऊपर टॉप वाले.
And for 10 overs, I wasn't even off the mark.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So many top
I had
balls.
to dig
Yeah,
in and
that's-
play absorbing
Oh,
knock,
that's-
and I think
that's some
that's
hell of
why I
innings.
remember. So,
Okay, so I can't talk about bowling performances, but I'm going to ask you, a batsman, you've gotten out and you were super happy and you still remember that wicket.
I think for me, that's Matthew Sinclair.
Of course.
Especially at that age.
Of course.
getting him out. That was a big wicket.
For me, Devin Smith, West
Okay.
Indian opener, King City में game थी.
S9 का गेम था, लीड का गेम?
I think it was elite. Or
I
we were
think
in.
it was-
I think it was S9
elite.
थी.
Elite.
Elite थी, sorry.
Elite, I
Yeah.
think.
So
Back
he
then.
was currently he just played West Indies
Yeah,
as
yeah,
a
yeah.
Kings player.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got
Remember
that,
how you got
and
him
I deceived him.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, he went to hit me for a six. Sort of pulled back kill length and then
Okay, great.
Yasin Shah took a nice catch.
Chalo,
Thank you, Yasin.
let's make it more interesting. So, don't have to go really
Deep.
past in the past, but in recent years, who is a bowler you would want to face and be like, okay, मिल जाए लीग में तो इसकी पिटाई करूंगा.
यार ये बराबर में बैठा हुआ है।
ये तो दोस्ती की rivalry है ना, ये तो rivalry है.
इसको खालिद जिलानी को और दानिश बशीर को मैं सोते में भी खेल सकता हूँ।
दानिश बॉल कर लेता क्या क्या
और
क्या
एक हमारे जमील भाई हैं, जमील
हाँ,
आसिफ,
जमील भाई, यार,
उनको ही मैं आंखें बंद
यार,
करके खेल सकता हूँ।
नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता।
Because we have played together so
I
much.
get it, but Jamil has too much
नहीं
experience.
नहीं,
I don't agree
but
with this.
it's yeah, of course, जमील भाई is still great.
Yeah.
लेकिन हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे को इतना खेला है ना कि I mean Sultan's great. Yesterday he was bowling so well. He knocked me out twice indoors. But लगता है मुझे कि I can
इसी को
just play
मानना है.
these guys.
वो इसलिए नहीं कि वो आसान लगते हैं, वो इसलिए कि दोस्त है यार, इसकी पिटाई करनी है, बाद में bragging rights होते
हम
हैं ना.
खेले बहुत हैं. Even if I bowl, he doesn't spare me. Khalid doesn't spare me. Jamil bhai doesn't spare me. Danish doesn't spare me. तो
ये
हम
भी ठीक
लोग
है.
आपस में बहुत खेलते हैं.
सुल्तान भाई,
So that's one reason.
who's the bowler?
Bowler that I want to hit.
The bowler who has the ball in his hand, like, okay, this is the over I'm going to score runs.
Well, in T20, I think you want to target everybody, but probably you. You scored 100 against us in the final.
And I'm easier to hit too, relatively.
No,
these days.
you're a tough bowler to hit, but hopefully, next
year.
year.
Okay. तो ऐसा ही same question for the batsman. ये बैटिंग कर रहा है कोई batsman और you're like इसको आउट करना है. बाकी गेम की टेंशन नहीं है, इसकी विकेट चाहिए. ईगो पे कौन सा बैट्समैन आता है आपके?
यार ईगो पे तो नहीं, कोई भी अच्छा हिटर हो दैट गेट्स टू मी राइट.
Anyone hits you for a six, you want to get
करना है,
out.
आउट करना है, कुछ भी है, like whoever, there are a lot of good players out there right now, especially a lot of players came from India. The young guys, they are quite professional in all round performance. चाहे उनकी फील्डिंग ले लें, बैटिंग ले लें, बॉलिंग ले लें, they get coached properly, so they play you well.
Okay.
So yeah, anybody that's try to be aggressive against
So
me.
not a single person in mind कि यार जिस पे आपने लिया हो यार.
Yeah, I want to get you.
You already got me out yesterday on the nets, no?
Yeah, I know, but
So that way.
To be honest with you, nobody in particular.
No.
But as Ali said, anybody who's every game, I want to get everybody out. Doesn't
You have
matter.
the ball, whoever is batting, you want to
Whoever is batting,
Okay.
I
but Sultan has the same attitude. यहाँ पे ये aggressive देखता है कि वो
Yeah.
batsman है, he gets really aggressive.
you know,
Yeah.
we played against
Yeah,
each
yeah.
other, so
Yeah.
But that's part
That's part of the
You
game.
have
You
to
can
have
fight
that
it,
compassion,
exactly.
right?
Yeah.
That energy to make sure that you keep going.
But
Fair enough.
especially if somebody has if I see we're playing against a team and there's somebody who's the highest scorer, for example in BCL, this guy Akshay, he plays for Eagle Riders. I wanted to get him out, when we played them against them in the final, and I
Of
got
course.
him out.
So better competition.
Yeah.
तो मतलब अगर
Anybody, nothing against
अगर
him,
लेग
he's a
शॉट में
great
आप किसी की
batsman.
विकेट लेना चाहेंगे तो वो दानिश होगा. तो दानिश को अपनी टीम से निकाल के कहीं और फेंक के
Luckily,
ताकि
he
उसको out
plays
कर
with us.
सके. Lucky.
Otherwise, he would probably have another century.
अच्छा, वैसे आपने नासिर भाई का जिक्र किया, इसी सीजन की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सीजन वी प्लेड अ गेम अगेंस्ट नासिर भाई एंड ही इज हर्ट, राइट? ही गेट्स अ बैट्समैन आउट. I'm like, wow. मैं दूसरे एंड पे खड़ा हूँ. मैंने कहा वाह नासिर भाई, व्हाट अमेजिंग डिलीवरी. इज लाइक बेटा अभी तो मैं इंजर्ड हूँ, ठीक होता तो पता नहीं क्या करता.
No,
Yeah.
he's
how he
going
is.
through some injuries.
Yeah, I know.
But he's a fighter.
He's a fighter, definitely. कि हम बात कर रहे हैं क्रिकेट की भी, पर ये मैं बहुत अरसे से हम यहाँ पे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन everyone has a full-time job. You're a realtor, you're in IT. Talk to me a little bit about that. कि how do you manage everything, family, job, and then cricket? Everyone has different challenges. So how does Ali manage it?
Well, for me, of course it gets to you because we have big family. You have work, you have cricket, and especially T20. You have games during the weekdays, and they start at 5 at times, 7 o'clock. So traffic and all. It's hard to manage. We get to the games late most of the time, which I hate to say, but
Happy skippers.
yes. No, skipper भी late होता है.
That's easy then.
So you have to manage, right? आपको खुद पता है, you play sports, so
तो मुझे
it's really tough.
Let me reverse the question. I'm going to ask the same question to Sultan Bhai, but Ali Bhai, because you're answering this question, how do your cricket experience come handy in your field of work, real time?
ऑफ कोर्स इट डज क्योंकि क्रिकेट आपको मेंटली और फिजिकली बड़ा टाइट रखता है इफ यू आर अ कंपेटिटर तो यू नो लाइक मेंटली यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग आप चेस तुम्हें खुद पता है कि खेलते हो क्रिकेट कभी कुछ सिचुएशंस आ जाती हैं कीप्स यू रियली लाइक यू नो मेंटली योर माइंड हैज टू बी देयर सो सेम थिंग यू हैव द फाइटिंग स्पिरिट यू ब्रिंग इट टू योर वर्क कभी आप डाउन होते हैं so you have that spirit,
Yeah, that's
right, as
very
an athlete.
Yeah, that's very true because I was reading somewhere that cricket is a sport in which you will have a lot of bad days and some good days, and you live on because of those
Yeah.
good days, and you keep searching for those good days, right? So it really builds a character, right?
या क्योंकि कभी क्या होता है आप जाते हैं घर से फैमिली को छोड़ के you don't get any runs
Yeah.
you don't bowl well you don't feel well
Yeah.
you come back home you're chin down right
Mhm.
but you know next day you try to perform and so up and down बहुत चलता है क्रिकेट में especially but
Okay.
yeah you bring it to work as well same thing fighting spirit
And network, of course, as a real
as an
network
athlete
helps.
yes
Yeah.
for
So,
sure
Sultan bhai, same question to you. How do you manage so much workload, and vice versa? How does cricket help your
Yeah.
work?
I'm going to be very honest. To be honest with you, I would say I don't manage. My wife manages. My son manages. Because
That's
you
true.
know, when there's a game, like if you play like 70 plus games in a season, like you just go and play the game, but then obviously the family compromises. So I want to thank my wife, my son, and all the family. You know, my mom for allowing me, you know, to play cricket. Thank you so much. You guys are managing for a very long time. And I have no plan to retire, so you will be managing for a very long time to come, inshallah.
Yeah, that's a very good answer.
Yeah.
So, Ali bhai, you want to add that, or क्योंकि उनकी वाइफ देखेंगे, आपकी वाइफ देखेंगे, फिर आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो. मैं अपनी वाइफ का भी और अपनी फैमिली का भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ.
माशाल्लाह ये बहुत गेम्स खेलते हैं
हाँ.
मैं इनकी 1/4 भी नहीं खेलता
अच्छा, ये
so
भी
I
ठीक है.
manage it really well
अच्छा, ये भी ठीक है.
yeah
And Sultan bhai, IT की फील्ड में how does cricket help you to be better at your job as well?
Education, cricket, both are important.
Mhm.
Like one keeps you healthy, cricket,
Mhm.
and education just makes you a better person. And
Mhm.
especially in Canada, like you know, especially for us, like back then, like you know, in like early 2000, cricket was not like something that's gonna financially like you know give you and you'll be able to support your family.
Even
So-
now it's very rare, but yeah,
Even now it's like
it's
tough.
very rare, yeah.
But that's why I think education is very very important.
Mhm.
So you can support your family, you can support yourself, and if you're educated, mostly like you're doing office job, and you know that allows you to have like free weekends. That
Mhm.
allows you to play cricket.
Very true.
You know,
Okay, that's a very fair point and very valid point. Excuse me. We're running out of time, and I do want to ask you this. आप लोग पाकिस्तान जा रहे हैं.
जी.
You must have relatives in Pakistan. आप क्रिकेट खेलने जा रहे हैं. You are from Karachi. It's happening in Karachi. Families, extended families, relatives, are they excited for you to be there and play there? And are you excited to play in front of the home crowd, basically? Okay, although you grew up in Canada, but you still have some
Right.
kind of relatives there, right?
जी जी बिल्कुल एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली है ज़्यादातर यहीं पे हैं हमारे सारे बट ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव couple of uncles there
Mm-hmm.
तो it's that's where I was born तो for me I have a special connection with the city
Mm-hmm.
और especially playing against
वहाँ पे खेले हैं वैसे?
जी लास्ट टाइम खेले नेशनल
नहीं
स्टेडियम
नहीं, बचपन में कुछ भी नहीं खेला.
थोड़ी गली
अच्छा,
क्रिकेट
ठीक है.
थोड़ी बचपन में खेली ना
Mm-hmm.
तो लास्ट टाइम जब हम खेले थे ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ ड्रीम फॉर एनी ऑफ अस इंक्लूडिंग योरसेल्फ टू
Mhm.
प्ले इन नेशनल स्टेडियम कराची
Of course.
against
Yeah.
Pakistani legends like Abdul Razak, Misbah-ul Haq, and
Mhm.
these guys, right? So we got to witness this last time.
Okay, nice.
तो हम खेले उनके साथ and it's for me it was a dream come true.
Right. Sultan, same question to you. पर आप कराची से नहीं हैं तो मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐड ऑन
जी.
कर देता हूँ. Of course, पाकिस्तान की टीम भी खेल रही है, तो वो legends भी खेल रहे हैं जिनको
जी.
you consider them legends.
yes, for sure.
So how are you feeling of about going to Pakistan and playing against legend of the games?
As Ali said, like you know, we were there last time as well.
Mhm.
It was really fun.
Mhm.
Like I enjoyed Karachi. That was my first time going to Karachi. To be
Mhm.
honest, with you, I was scared to go to Karachi
Okay.
because you know from the media that we have seen,
Mhm.
you know, like it's a dangerous place.
Yeah.
But when I got there, like it was like going to home. You know,
Yeah.
like everybody was very very friendly. and I even gave away my Sargodha citizenship, Karachi citizenship there.
अच्छा वैसे
You know?
मुझे आज पता चला सुल्तान भाई भी सुरगोदा से हैं, मैं भी सुरगोदा से हूँ, तो
I'm not from Sargodha, but Sargodha was our division. I'm from Valley Soon City. So,
Yeah, okay.
yeah.
Same division.
Yeah.
वैसे क्रिकेट वाइज our division is फैसलाबाद by the way.
Oh, okay.
सुरगोदा की डिवीजन नहीं है क्रिकेट में.
Oh, I didn't know that.
अच्छा, that being said, मैं कुछ रैपिड फायर के क्वेश्चन लूंगा, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आप लोगों से आखिरी एक सवाल करना चाहता हूँ और मुझे ऑनेस्ट आंसर चाहिए. इस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटी रेयर होती है. You guys are going, you guys must be excited.
Yeah.
आपके अपने भी गोल्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं कोई लीग खेल रहा हूँ तो मेरा गोल होता है कि यार इसमें मैंने 200 रन करने हैं या मैंने 100 करना है, एक सेंचुरी करनी है. कोई खास विकेट आपके जहन में हो सुल्तान, आपके जहन में हो कि यार इस टीम के खिलाफ रन करने हैं, कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं, पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, टीम के नहीं, पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. सुल्तान से शुरू करते हैं.
Personal objectives, obviously, I wanna get the hopefully I'll get the opportunity to perform as an all-rounder. I wanna take lots of wickets. My goal is to be. I was a top 2 wicket taker in 2 of the leagues that I play here. So hopefully, inshallah, I can replicate that and be the top wicket taker there. And then my goal is to score 100 there, inshallah. If I get opportunity, wherever I'm batting, the most important thing in T20. The opportunity is very, very limited. But wherever you get the opportunity, you have to make that impact.
Utilize.
So I want to be the impact player.
ठीक है.
That's
मतलब
my
आपको
personal
जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी आप उसको
Yeah.
यूटिलाइज करना चाहते हैं. हैव द बेस्ट पॉसिबल स्ट्रेच.
Exactly.
So वेरी गुड आंसर, बट वेरी डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर. कोई एक सेट गोल नहीं बताया आपने मुझे. मैं फंसाने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा, बट दैट्स द आइडिया. किसी एक बैट्समैन, चले ऐसे कर लेते हैं, किसी एक बैट्समैन को जो आप चाहते हैं कि यार अगर मुझे मिल गया, मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई तो इसको आउट करना.
Obviously, the big names, like for example, for Pakistani team, Abdul Razak is their captain.
Okay.
So hopefully, when we're playing against them, inshallah, my first goal is to win the game against Pakistan, and second goal is to be the man of the match in that game, inshallah.
Very well said. Sultan bhai, being very big fan of Pakistan, I hope you guys win. But being very honest, for now, it looks like a very steep challenge, and hopefully you guys will come across it. Ali, same question for you.
Yeah, I mean, we're playing against teams like South Africa, Australia. तो उसमें पाकिस्तान से ज़्यादा fit players and they're more tougher and younger players, especially West Indies as well.
Yes.
There were 7-8 test players last time.
Oh, wow.
I was the highest wicket taker for the last World Cup, and I had probably
I've seen you always being a batsman who can bowl. So आप wickets की ज़्यादा बात कर रहे हैं.
batting में I hope I get a chance. And
But you're going as a leg spinner.
I had a great no, I'm going as a all-rounder.
All-rounder, of course, yeah, but
Yeah. I mean, I batted well this year. Just opportunity comes. I like to be an impact player. कि game अगर फंसी हुई है जहाँ पे, I
You
call
did,
myself 911.
अच्छा,
तो जब भी फंसता हूँ, game फंसी है, they आगे कर देते हैं.
ठीक है.
And I play T&D all my life, so I'm used to it.
Yeah.
आपको पता है T&D किस तरह की cricket है. The surface was so hard to bat.
Of course.
So हम लोग की mentality वहीं
But
से.
Karachi is opposite. Generally, I've heard the amazing batting wickets.
It's all batting.
Yeah.
So you need help from your fielders.
Yeah.
थोड़ी support चाहिए होती है उनसे. And
Yeah.
inshallah, we have a good chemistry.
All right. Good luck.
Yeah.
गुड लक अली भाई,
Thanks,
गुड लक
sir.
सुल्तान भाई. यहाँ पे मैं CCMC का भी जिक्र करना चाहूँगा, जो ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं ये टीम को लेके, जो ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, मैनेज कर रहे हैं. कोच फारूकी साहब भी हैं. प्लीज
Farooq Kirmani.
फारूक करमानी साहब भी हैं,
And
और
also
सुहेल भाई, सुहेल तनवीर इज
Tannveer.
हेल्पिंग देम आउट एंड काउंसलिंग देम एज वेल. वेरी डिसेंट स्क्वाड. तो इन सब को हम गुड लक कहते हैं. एक बार फिर से वेल विशेस. लास्ट में मैं सिर्फ आप लोगों के साथ एक रैपिड फायर खेलूंगा वेरी क्विकली. फर्स्ट थॉट कम्स टू योर माइंड, एक दूसरे की तरफ नहीं देखना और आंसर फौरी करना है, ठीक है? तो कोशिश ये करनी है. मैं 2 स्पिनर्स का नाम लूंगा अली, आपने उनमें से एक को पिक करना है जो अपनी टीम के लिए सिलेक्ट करेंगे. लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर, बेस्ट इन कनाडा, साद बिन जफर और सलमान नजर.
Saad bin Zafar.
सुल्तान भाई, बेस्ट बैट्समैन पावर हिटिंग के लिहाज से, मैं 2 लोगों का नाम लूंगा, वेरी सिमिलर स्टाइल, एक लेफ्टी एक राइटी है, नईम इकबाल या रमीज दुरानी.
Naeem Iqbal.
लेग स्पिनर, जुनैद सिद्दीकी, उमैर गनी.
Umair Ghani.
सुल्तान भाई, रयान पठान, एरन जॉनसन.
Ryan Pathan.
ठीक है. आप अब ये सवाल है, एक ही सवाल है, दोनों से बारी बारी और क्विकली आंसर देना. 50 ओवर की क्रिकेट की बात कर रहा हूँ, ओडीआई की बात कर रहा हूँ. 2 बैट्समैन हैं, दोनों अपनी प्राइम एज में हैं. उनमें से आप किसको पिक करेंगे? सचिन तेंदुलकर या विराट कोहली?
Sachin.
सुल्तान भाई.
Virat Kohli.
टेस्ट क्रिकेट, सेम क्वेश्चन.
Sachin.
Sachin.
T20.
Out of these two?
Yeah, same
Yeah,
question.
Kohli.
Kohli.
Virat Kohli.
Okay. Who would you like to watch more if you had an opportunity? You've given an opportunity to watch one game. Somebody told you it's guaranteed that this man is going to play for a long time. Two options: modern day cricketers, Babar Azam and Mohammad Rizwan. Who would you
Babar
like to
Azam
watch?
any day, brother.
Who would you like to watch?
King Babar.
Babar Azam.
Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli?
Virat Kohli.
रोहित शर्मा. ओके. आपका बैटिंग स्टाइल भी थोड़ा सा उनकी तरह है ना, तो इसलिए आपको रोहित ज्यादा आपकी रिकमेंडेशन में. अच्छा तो
I wish.
okay, last question for you guys, and it's an open-ended question. Everyone watches something on TV, YouTube, or on social media, something. What's your favorite TV content or network content to
I
watch?
can give you my favorite movie.
Okay, what is it?
Hasta la vista, baby. Terminator 2.
Terminator 2.
Arnold Schwarzenegger, my favorite.
Sultan,
For me, it was the Artable drama.
right? That's
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot of fan following. Huh?
Yes.
Thank you guys so much. I want to really appreciate you guys and CCMC here for requesting you guys to show up, and I hope you guys perform really well with them.
Inshallah.
What is the message, both of you? पहले सुल्तान भाई से शुरू करते हैं, फिर अली भाई आपकी तरफ आते हैं. What is the message you want to leave the Canadian cricketer viewers with?
I just want to say, like, first of all, I want to thank.
दोबारा से.
आप ये कह सकते, एक सेकंड,
हाँ
शुक्रिया कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, हाँ,
और अपने प्लेयरों का वो
हाँ सबका.
दानिश का और ये
सब
I
कुछ.
want to say something.
Anything. You're open. Say anything. Right? Okay. Good to go.
So first of all, I want to thank like Salman by you for giving us the opportunity to speak here. I want to thank like our organization CCMC, our like coaches Sohail Tanveer Bhai for giving us the tips, Farooq Irmani Sahib like giving us the tips to perform better over there. Inshallah, we'll try our level best. And then I want to say like we have some great cricketers in our squad. We have like Danish Bashir, who scored like nearly 3,000 runs this year alone, 9+ centuries. We have Ali Farouk, great all-rounder, Khalid Gilani, and some of the other good players in our team. And we're gonna try our level best to win, and we're going there to win the trophy, inshallah.
Thank you so much, Sultan Bhai. Ali Bhai.
Yeah, once again, I would like to all the old cricketers that are 40 plus, go join these organizations, and there's a lot of veteran cricket. So I would like to thank CCMC for giving us the opportunity to play this tournament, because this selection kafi was tricky. You had to pick all around the country. I'd like to thank Farooq Bhai, Farooq Kermani. He's been coaching us for the last 2 months. Sohail Tanveer, of course, all my friends. That's about it. We're going to go and just fight. You have to fight on the field, and inshallah we pull it off in few games.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining today. नाज़रीन, ये था आज का स्पेशल एपिसोड द कैनेडियन क्रिकेटर, स्पेशली फॉर द cricketers who are going for the World Cup, T20 World Cup happening in Pakistan. I'll try my level best that I keep updating you guys with the scores and highlights of the games. लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ जितनी भी हमारी क्रिकेट फ्रेटर्निटी है टोरंटो में, कनाडा में, अल्बर्टा में, वैंकूवर में, बीसी में, जहाँ जहाँ पे भी क्रिकेट हो रही है नॉर्थ अमेरिका में, और ख़ासतौर पे कैनेडियन फैंस के लिए कि इस टीम को फॉलो करें. लेट्स सपोर्ट ईच अदर, एम्पावर ईच अदर. 40+ cricket is important because that can also bring a lot of cricket fans and helps cricket in Canada financially as well. With that message, I'll take my leave. See you next time.